the Fujifilm X100VI succeeds Fujifilm X100V as the best premium compact camera available, delivering better features, better performance, and better image quality, while retaining all that we love about the X100 series: classic styling, old-school exposure dials, a super sharp fixed 23mm f/2 lens, and that lovely hybrid viewfinder. You could look at the X100VI as a Fujifilm X-T5 and AX100 series body. That means a higher resolution than ever 40MP sensor, 6.2K video, and for the first time in the series, in body image stabilization. We also get Fujifilm's best ever autofocus, with tracking and subject detection that includes humans, animals, birds, and vehicles. So we effectively have two fantastic cameras combined into one, and the result is the best entry in this fixed-lens compact series yet. I love it, and in many ways it's a more compelling Leica Q3 alternative. There's also that's plenty familiar here. The retro design has changed, but only a little. This is a slightly heavier camera because it accommodates in-body image stabilization, and if you ask me, the extra 10% weight is totally worth it for the additional versatility the IBIS brings. This is still very much a compact camera. A few features carried over from the X100V now feel like quirks. A single UHSI SD card slot limits the video and burst shooting capability. Weather sealing is still only achieved with a lens adapter attached, and perhaps even the lens focal length, a full frame equivalent 35mm, is limiting for those that like to shoot wider. Especially given that we could easily crop to 35mm thanks to the extra pixels. But the Fujifilm X100VI is a superb compact camera that's unlike any other. It's so capable, in fact, that it's hard to see where Fujifilm can go next, besides trying something altogether new, like a new lens with a different focal length, or even creating a similar camera in its GFX series of medium-format cameras. The pricier Leica Q3 feels more luxurious, and boasts a 60MP full-frame sensor, while the cheaper Ricoh GR3 series are simpler and smaller. But right now the Fujifilm X100VI feels like the best premium compact for most people, and it's certainly the best compact Fujifilm camera available.